Like, share, and subscribe to Doit Industries for more updates.
In jewelry manufacturing, precision is everything, and so is clean air. Enter the Silence H1 mobile suction system by Doit Industries. It's a versatile unit designed to transform hallmarking, gold testing, and dental facilities. So, what makes the Silence H1 stand out from standard vacuums? First, power. Packed inside its compact standalone frame is a high-speed motor reaching 32,000 revolutions per minute, delivering an incredible airflow of up to 3,750 liters per minute. You get 9 adjustable suction steps right at your fingertips via a modern touch control panel. But here's the kicker. Despite all that power, it operates at a maximum noise level of just 55 decibels. Now, why is this an essential investment for your jewelry business? During hallmarking and gold testing, fine toxic fumes and microparticles are released into the air. The Silence H1 features an advanced multi-stage filtration system, combining pocket filter and ULPA filter to trap harmful contaminants before you can breathe them in. More importantly, it traps valuable gold dust inside the filtration layers. Easy to install. Multiple adjustments are available depending on your use. Looking for a clean, quiet, and efficient extraction solution for your jewelry manufacturing, hallmarking, or gold testing setup? Meet the Silence H1 by Doit Industries.